Welcome back to the garage for another Sportster update video. In this video, we're going to go ahead and throw a quarter fairing on this bike. We're going to go with the Crater fairing. It's from Amazon. It's like 80 bucks. It's actually really good quality for what it is. It's pretty thick. It doesn't feel flimsy really. The bracketry is all right. It seems like it's going to be pretty tight. And plus, it looks pretty good. It's ABS plastic, unpainted gloss. And I've got it with this smoked. We'll kind of see how it looks with the headlights, see if it's bright enough. But we also have the Memphis Shades adjustable clamps. I didn't get the quick detach because I don't plan on really taking it off. So we're going to go ahead and send it. I'm going to go ahead and throw on these clamps first, show you what it looks like and kind of my placement. And then I'm going to try to go ahead and get it detached, and then we'll adjust from there. So I had a feeling there's going to be some issues with this fairing, with it being a little bit cheaper. It's not going to be perfect. And the only thing I've ran into is right here on the back side of the fairing. There's no clearance in this general area. So I'm going to have to use some washers or something like that, maybe in different hardware, or just move around the orientation. But I have to run it this way or else it's not sitting up on the headlight. So I don't know. I'm going to mess around with it and see what I can come up with. Alright, so I had to change out the plastic here. I accidentally chipped the old one. I got clear for two reasons. One, I got turn signals integrated into the headlight, so it's a little easier to see. And they were out of stock for the smoked ones at the time, and I didn't really look all that hard, but I'm happy with this. It's brighter. I'm good to go with it. Eventually I'd like to paint all of it, except this, of course. But I would like to paint this smoke to make it all match to what my bike is now, because my bike's not black, it's blue. But oh well, I'm happy with this. Let's go ahead and chuck it on. I had to use longer screws because I needed washers to get it to not hit my triple tree. So I had to use 4 washers to make it sit where I needed. So I had to get longer screws, which are 3/4 inch long. It looks about like that there, which clears all this pretty nice. And obviously there's plenty of room there, and it sits flush with the headlight in there. It's really hard to see, but it sits flush with the rubber piece on there. So I'm really happy with what I got out of this fairing, which is so much cheaper than all the other competitors. So I'm pretty happy with what it is. The only things you need to worry about is spacing out the fairing so you don't hit the triple tree with a longer bolt and some washers. And there's a little bit of flash from the plastic mold injection on the back, which you could sand if you really wanted to, and paint. I'm not really sure what I'll do with that, but for now, I'm happy with it. So, if you have any questions, comments, anything like that, or if you even have tell me I did something wrong or I could do something better, please let me know. I would greatly appreciate it. We're all a community, and I'm here to help as well. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I super appreciate it. It helps. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Capiche?